At Chillen Media Group, we are celebrating 10 years of educational excellence, 10 years of empowering Africans in media and technology, 10 years of our graduates making a real difference in the industry, 10 years of really caring and serving our clients all over the world, 10 years of being creative with technology, recording arts, film and video, web development and graphic design, digital marketing and more. 10 years of loving what we do and doing what we love. At Chillen Media, we are celebrating 10 years of changing the lives of Africans through media and technology. From all of us here at Chillen Media Group, we say thank you. Thank you for believing in us. Thank you for inspiring us every day to be better. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to make an impact in your life, business, or career. Thank you for your sacrifice, for stepping out of the box, for following your passion, and for making a real difference. As we celebrate our 10 years anniversary, we celebrate you, our clients, our users, our graduates and students, and to everyone who has been impacted, inspired, and empowered by Chillen Media Group. Year is to 10 years in the past and 10 years moving forward. Chillen Media Group, empowering